good with y'all? Tuning in to another video. As you can see by the title, today's video is about the Camaro. Like I said, another question for y'all, something I've been wanting to discuss for a long time. Cause like I said, everything I do when it comes to these bills and these cars involve y'all or whatever. I still want to, I want to do stuff that I like and that I enjoy, but I still want to do and create content that y'all enjoy, that's informative, that you know y'all really want to watch and all of that good stuff. So I want to talk about Camaro and show y'all something that I was talking about in the previous video that I didn't know was even on the Camaro. Like this, like I said, it's really a nice little, sick little ride right here. I'm telling you, for real. And you know we got the new upgrades coming. A lot of y'all don't be checking out the product videos when I be showing y'all what I got, but you gonna see it in action. If you be missing the videos, man, you gonna miss out. You ain't gonna know what's going on. Or you might mess around and just check out a new video, then the car just way faster than what it was. You need to watch everything, man, so you know what's going on. So with that being said, I'm about to turn the camera around. I'm gonna show y'all what I saw up on here, and I'm gonna talk to y'all. So let's get into the video. Let's go. Alright, so I'm about to pull this hood. Man, boy, y'all just don't know, man. I miss this thing. I'm so ready. I have not crunked this cord since the transmission went out, man. Y'all see it still in the air. I'm so ready to drive this thing, boy. When I put that new transmission in there, I'm gonna set this camera down and do a 200-foot burnout. And man, I'm gonna have to blow some steam off. I'm gonna have to blow the dust off this thing, man. For real. So look, let me show y'all. Boy, all this about to get changed too. I don't even want to say no more, but all this about to get changed. I'm telling y'all, everything I told y'all I'm gonna do is literally happening to this car. And like I said, the top end about to come off here and put some new heads on this bad boy. And eventually, I'm gonna change this right here. I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna change it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I might sell it or I might do a giveaway or something. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna end up going to a Precision. It's a nice side, man. It's a nice turbo. Don't get me wrong, get the job done, but I'm gonna go to a Precision, and like it's a known fact, you just switch it out, more horsepower. So before I get into talking about what I need to talk about, look, check this out, man. Golly, I know y'all heard that, man. I hope I ain't cracked the phone and all that good stuff. But look, man, check this out. Y'all check this out. This let you know I didn't know what I was on this car. I never laid on the ground to look because I had no reason to, honestly. Hold on, I gotta brighten it up, man. Let me do my camera magic. Alright, and got the wrap hanging. Man, I need to wrap there. All this getting changed. This is what I was telling y'all I didn't like on the car. The one thing I didn't like how this was ran. This crossover pipe, man, if I go across something low, guarantee it's scraping. But check this out. Y'all check that out. Let me see if y'all gonna spot it. Hold on. I'm not trying to crank the ISO up too high, but I'm gonna have to. Alright, look, check that out. Some of y'all probably know what you're looking at. Some probably like, man, what we supposed to be looking at? But look at this right here. Now these cars got a bolt-in K-member anyway. That's great. Like you can get these cars to work suspension and stuff. But man, this thing here is got a K-member. That's weight, man. There's some good weight out the car. I didn't know this was in this car. I know exactly what this is. Exactly how much it costs, cause I was looking at one anyway and I already got it. This tripped me out. I didn't know this was on the car until the transmission was getting took out. Then Rick was laying up on here. He said, man, this car got some stuff on it, right? I like, yeah, it's pretty straight. I didn't know what he was talking about. He said, man, yeah, it got a 9K member. I just disregarded it like, yeah, I know it got both in K member, but man, he like, nah, it got a good one. And I laid up on here and saw this, man, it tripped me out. So that's some good weight took off the car. So yeah, it's some good stuff, man. Like, I guess this car was getting built from front to back. Cause the only thing it's missing is a pretty much an aftermarket torque arm. I supposed to have that coming, but I don't know, man. I'm keeping it real with y'all. I reach out to a lot of companies, man. I guess the company reneged on me. I never heard back from them, so I just counted it out. And I'm like, man, it is what it is. It's 2 companies done reneged on me, man. Like, if you follow my Facebook, then you know Holly backed out. But I really wasn't tripping. They backed out the little playing with me because they said I started using the term street car. It's real talk. So I was like, oh, well, all right, you know. Not nothing serious to me. I ain't never get it too excited over it cause nothing got emotion. So yeah, that's that. If y'all didn't know, y'all see it got a Carolina driveline drive shaft in it. It's some good stuff in this car, man. I'm not just saying that, but that K member tripped me out. It really did. So I want to show y'all that. And let me get my phone up. And let me turn the camera back around toward me and turn this back down. But yeah, I definitely want to show y'all that. But this video for real is mainly to show y'all that, and I want to talk to y'all about this car, cause I really want to know. It'd be a toss up. I know people be wanting information on the cars and bills. Cheapskate is a truck I'ma show times on and stuff. But what y'all think I ought to do for this car? Would y'all rather me grudge this car? Like, and when I say grudge, I'm not about to be betting trying to break the bank and stuff, cause my philosophy is on grudge. I really, man, the way it is now is just, it's all about money, and that ain't what the way grudge started. I don't care what nobody say. You gonna have people feel different ways about this, but grudge all about money. Grudge was about betting something, man. Back in the day, people be talking about how much the operations cost and the program and stuff, but at the end of the day, nobody tells you to build what you build. You choose to build what you build. Like, I was gonna put a X275 motor in that car at first, and if you know how much an X275 drivetrain and all of that stuff costs, you talking from $60,000 up to $100,000. But I wasn't finna sit up here and try to place $10,000 bets and try to recoup my losses, cause I look at stuff as a different way. Yeah, I make money off these cars and contents cause of what I do. It's just a great job, man. I mean, if you work hard and you brand yourself and you show people you humble and all that, and you provide quality and value to people, then you can make money doing what you love another way, instead of trying to line up with somebody and having always a 50-50 chance that you're gonna win. That's never gonna change, no matter how much more you got than your opponent, or if you think you done finessed them, your chances are always gonna be 50-50 because your car can break. So that's what I'm saying. I be kind of in the air on whether I want to grudge or if I want to show times and just have fun. Whoever race me, and we collaborate and all that. So really, I really want to know what y'all think, or what y'all want to see, what y'all think I should do with this car. Should I start talking about the motor? Because I have never told exactly what motor in here. I ain't kept it real with the motor. I haven't. It looked plain Jane, but I have not kept it all the way real with this car. People think the junk is a joke because it turned down. It's only on 10 pounds of boost. If you know turbos, you know 10 pounds is baby boost. It's on 10 pounds, it's on 93 octane. And if you know turbos, just by draining the tank and putting like some 116 in here or E85, same amount of boost makes more power. So it's just, the car making like probably like 500 horsepower right now. Don't get me wrong, it's a lot to the tires. That's a lot. But you're talking about on 10 pounds, and you're talking about 20, I mean, you're talking about 10 to 15 more pounds to go. Average of 30 to 50 horsepower per pound if you got a 5 tuner and everything hitting right. So I want to know seriously, what do y'all prefer to see? The majority of y'all. I know some people like grudge. I like all racing. Don't get me wrong, I just like to have fun at the very end of the day. But grudge, if you grudge, you can't show times. I can't be showing, hey, the car ran this, out of respect for the other people that race. Cause you know, people are judged by how far you beat somebody or how much you lose. So you just gotta respect the game. That's why I don't reveal times on the cars that are no time cars on my channel. Even though I do know what some of these cars run. I know what a lot of them run, cause they have told me or showed me their ticket because they trust me, And that's why I don't talk that talk with nobody. I really don't. I don't talk with none of my friends, none of my family, none of that. That's me. If somebody trusts me with their information, it's just me. The people around me respect that, even though they race. They respect that. It's just how it gotta be. So I seriously been wanting to talk to y'all about this because I want to know what y'all want me to do. Cheapskate, like I said from the beginning, I always was gonna show times because I showed the entire combination what the truck is, and I wanted to be an informative truck and be able to show the people skills of everybody that touched that truck. Same thing with this. I want to be able to show, as I am doing, I'm gonna show all the parts going on here and everything, but I have not kept it real about what motor is in this car and you know what it is and all of that. Say I like it. It's a sleeper, but it's not a sleeper because you know it got the feeling the X. It is Camaro Z28. But if it had full exhaust on it to the back, it could go for a sleeper because you look in it. A lot of people didn't know it had a trans brake. I just opened up and said that. A lot of people still don't know it's a 400. It had a 400 in it. People to this day like, man, I didn't know that car had a 400. Had a 400 already in it and stuff, like the K member and all of that, you know. But I really want to know. Drop in the comments, what do y'all prefer? I mean, do y'all want me to more so tell all the details and just go out and have a good time? Whoever want to race, and not necessarily grudge, but show my time or show my time online and tell y'all what y'all want to see, man. What do y'all enjoy the most? Cause with me, I enjoy both. It don't make me none. But yeah, I want to talk to y'all about that. And the next video I plan on doing is I want to do a Q&A. So if you make it to the end of the video, listen. Drop your suggestion on what you think I should do with this car. And if you got any questions, if I get enough questions in the comments, I'm gonna do a Q&A video. You know, if you want to know something about me or about the cars or how I saw somebody ask how the car got its name and stuff, stuff like that. You know, just drop your questions below, or you can drop them. You can DM me on Instagram. I'll be checking my Instagram, and yeah, I'm trying to keep this content coming, man. I hope y'all see the consistency. I'm trying to grind. Please like the video, man. That help these videos a lot. Share the video and make sure you hit that bell. And shout out to Detroit Hood TV, man. Rest in peace, Dwayne, man. I really miss him. I really miss him a lot. And on that note, since I'm wearing Detroit Hood TV, man, what better way to end the video but this? It's time for the shakedown. Rest in peace, Dwayne. We out.